there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass.
Of standby time. You get over 91 hours of you listening to your favorite tracks on the speakers of the phone. And you get over 30 hours of either watching entertaining videos online or streaming your favorite classes. But the POCO C3 One's charger comes with a 380 volt surge protection.
More than 48% of our cyber-secure fingerprint sensor to the phone, along with the face unlock, which allows you to get in and out of the phone really easily. Ask any POCO user out there, and they have only got great things to say about our POCO UI. There are no ads, and you can customize it. It's e-learning. 84% of the students are now using the smartphones for digital education throughout India. And all 20:9 aspect ratio makes it a lot more easier for you to view all your content in one screen. I can't stress enough on the implementation of the dark mode which has been done in POCO C3 One. Along with TÜV Rheinland's low blue light certification, what that means is that your eyes receive a lot less strain, especially when you're spending a lot more hours on your phone nowadays because of content consumption. It's 6.53 inches of pure HD plus awesomeness. 1.1 million pixels. That's a lot.
Is a combination of the processor, RAM and storage coming together to form the comes with 4 GB RAM, which effectively makes it a no-hang zone. In fact, 24% of our users prefer the freedom that we bring with a 4 GB option. It comes with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 2.3 GHz and has a super clock GPU to go with up to 64 GB of onboard storage. Take your storage up to 512 GB.
Triple camera setup, what we wanted to ensure is here's an example of how the POCO C3 One can capture some amazing details. Good architecture, as they say, is to ensure even imperfect things look perfect. And all the perfections and the imperfections in this building are accurately captured.